to be letting my cousin control my makeup. So let's do this thing.
I have no idea what we're doing.
Will you just tell me what to do for my makeup? Okay.
Well, I don't know that much makeup things.
Yeah, well, this was your idea.
I know, but I don't think we're actually going to do it.
Yeah, well, we are now. So you tell me what to start with. Do you need help?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do like eyes, eyebrows, face.
Eyes.
Eyeshadow?
Yes.
What colours?
Colors do you have? Okay. Do orange? I think that's orange.
Which one?
On the right side, on like the second row. Yes, yes.
Which one?
No, that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then red.
So this one.
Yeah. And red.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one apparently. But where am I putting this?
In your
Crease. Put like a primer on my eye first.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So I put the orangey colour in my crease. Now what do you want?
Red.
Where am I putting it?
On the eyelid. The inner bit.
So like the first half, like
No,
here. Huh?
like half of the eye,
Like
eye thing.
that. Okay. This red one on half my eyelid.
And then we need one more colour for the
Okay.
other half. The one right on top, the fourth one. Blend it in with the red.
Okay, so I'm now taking this colour here and I'm putting it on the outer half of my eyelid, I guess. The top of the red, do I blend it or not?
What do you mean the top of the red?
Like here.
No.
Okay.
Me? Yeah, you should.
Okay.
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner,
Uh-huh. Yeah, a wing.
a wing.
One eternity later.
How big do you want the wing to be?
Not too big, not too small. Yeah, that. Like that.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What would you like me to do now?
Eyebrows.
Now what? Hello?
Oh wait, what'd you say?
Now what do you want me to do?
Eyelashes.
Like as in,
Like mascara.
I'm supposed to put mascara and then eyelashes, but I put eyelashes then mascara, so.
Yeah, do that. Eyelashes and then mascara.
Okay. Here.
Foundation.
Okay, so foundation. Foundation's done.
What's that thing in a tube? That white that doesn't smell.
Concealer.
Yeah, that.
Okay, now what?
Contour. Do you have contour things?
Not really. I usually just bronze.
Bronze instead then.
Okay.
You got a highlight?
Yep.
Yeah, do that. You know that thing they do for the nose? You should do that one too.
What thing? Like the highlight on the nose or?
Yeah, the highlight on the nose. It looks so cool.
I've got this one. Or I got this one. This one's
That
more.
one.
This one?
Yeah.
It's more.
Uh-huh.
Let me see.
See, that looks so good.
Okay. Now what?
Lipstick.
Okay. This kind of colour.